We're just getting gear prepped for the MōVI Carbon launch film. We have a lot of work ahead of us in the next few days because we have to show the world what can be done with drone mountable, hand holdable, and land sharkable 5-axis gimbal. And that's never been done before because there's never been anything like this in existence until now. So this should be fun. Let's get going.
That's awesome. Oh, change in focus. Oh, look at that. So good.
We only filmed the top and I like lift your feet up and down.
3 hours ago, we decided to go shoot some water skiing, and we had a little contest here tonight at the private lake here in Washington. And Tab and Hugh and the crew are testing out the Carbon for some first in the wild shots. We got water skiers, we got sprays, we got drones, and now we got Tab on the Land Shark over here, whipping around the e-bike, so this should be good.
I'm riding the mini pony.
Thing looks so scary.
Daniel also taught me how to turn on a dime.
Oh, look at that. Is that a pro tip?
Pro tip.
Locations to get the island at the end of the lake.
We've done no shots so far, but Amber with MōVI has created like 2 hours worth of content.
Love this thing.
I mean, this is such an awesome boat to operate, bro.
It's perfect.
Can you go live, Bill?
Delicious.
I'm not going back to anything else. That's literally the best piece of equipment.
He's just so excited because he no longer has to carry the MōVI.
Here.
Oh yeah, come around that side of it so we get rid of the shadow there.
Okay, we're winning. We're winning everything. Carbon won. I'm not using anything else besides it. There's no way. This is like stealing candy from a baby.
Woo! Nice flying.
The best was when we went around this thing. I could see for like 4 seconds. We had a whole what is Hugh Bell thing is like dun 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 dun. It's on the bow of the boat, just looking up to the sky. Like, what's that guy thinking? I only one wheel with $50,000 worth of gear in my hand. How do you get off this thing again? Look at the speed, the agility, the power, the raw talent, the hair, the arms, the legs, all working in perfect unison to propel this majestic beauty forward, breath by breath, beat by beat, ATP by ATP, mitochondria by mitochondria. Look at him go. We're doing a shot of this beautiful bridge here with Thomas running across. The Land Shark will be filming someone operating carbon handheld.
I got a full beverage selection, snack selection. I'm ready for the day.
We're here at the Mons Lake Cuts, and we're hoping to film some runners and rowers.
Hey,
and
YouTubers!
Thanks for tuning into my channel.
Slash that like button.
God damn it!
It's Daniel Riley, RC Test. Yeah, the Alta's ready, but it's nervous to be flying next to Daniel's Alta.
And why's that?
You know, Daniel's crashed this thing a few times and put it back together using questionable mechanic techniques.
I would say my Alta repair skills are impeccable.
Skincare. Take care of your skin, folks. Oh, we got an awesome barge. Let's get out.
I really love barges and cargo ships.
I love barges.
I love barges.
What's your skincare practice?
Short shorts every day.
We've got this beautiful backdrop of Seattle from Alki, and we're going to shoot a longboarder coming down the sidewalk. We're going to travel in the X5 with the carbon, the city lit up in the background, hopefully get a ferry, maybe a low-flying helicopter, maybe a whale breaching. This is awesome. Man, that guy's having fun. He's just grooving. Oh my god, this is amazing. All three of them like that.
Yeah, it was fantastic. Yeah.
Oh, the city. That's awesome.
So,
You got
yeah.
that is really smooth.
Just getting set up on the track. Lights looking good. Let's get it going.
The nice thing about the Land Shark, it's very lightweight because we just had to lift it over the fence to get into this track.
Finny, we're ready down here.
Are your tarot driving skills as precise as your Alta flying skills?
No, definitely not. Boom. Wow. This is a pro mini pony turnaround. So first thing, back brake lock. Oh, kick back. Get the horse a rear end.
I love trains!
So today we've got Mr. Ian Roper riding around Seattle with his dog Sophie and their sidecar motorcycle. It's the cutest thing ever.
We are somewhere near Snoqualmie Pass in the beautiful state of Washington. We got MōVI Carbon, we got the Flowcine Black Arm, and we got a big Tundra. It's not the most nimble camera car, but it'll do the trick. Our subject is this nice looking BMW, and we've got the X5 with another Carbon as the chase car.
There was a magical moment in there. Oh,
How's driving the Batmobile?
Intimidating. This is my first time as a chase car driver. Slow and steady wins the race, man.
So our friend Colton at Free Fly showed us this awesome dirt jump spot, and we've got some riders coming out in a couple hours. So we're setting up the cable cam, and we're going to do a run from the beginning of the jumps to the end, chasing the riders through the forest.
we're just trying to figure out right now where we're putting the line. And yeah, we got riders swinging in at 11:30, so we got about 3 hours to do it. It's going to be amazing.
Would you call this threading the needle?
Yes. Our line's gonna be like here, I think.
That's why we have him. He's a professional.
Get access up to the trees so we can make the magic happen.
Oh, there it is. Well, if the MōVI thing doesn't work out, we can start a tree cutting business.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to put carbon on the cable cam and then attempt to track riders coming through here. We kind of have the cable cam crossing the whole track, so hopefully we'll be able to find angles that we can kind of converge with people and then track them all the way through.
That looks ridiculous.
Okay, ready? good. So good. We just gotta get it out of this tree. Just proven to be a problem.
Been a long day, but really happy with what we got, so giddy up.
So we got the moto crane and the carbon set up, and we're gonna go rip around Seattle on the viaduct, which is a pretty iconic road that runs kind of above Seattle and the waterfront. It's getting torn down soon, so I want to go capture some cool imagery of this beautiful Rolls Royce. And then we got you guys at Free Fly chasing us in the X5 over here with another carbon. So we got carbons on moto cranes, on Rolls Royces, and we're gonna go have some fun tonight.
How does this make you feel?
Really poor.
That was a first-hand look at how we make our launch films here at FreeFly. I hope you're as excited about MōVI Carbon as I am.